Hello guys, in this video you're going to learn how to make a WordPress website with Divi theme. Okay, so guys, before I begin, my name is Yavar Khan. I make a lot of WordPress tutorial, plugin reviews and how to build an online brand, so please consider subscribing. And at the end of the video I'm gonna give you a free bonus, so watch till the end. So guys, first things first, I use Bluehost. This is one of the best web hosting for WordPress because they give you a free domain, free SSL and one-click WordPress installation. So guys, let's begin. I have a 70% discount on Bluehost. Okay, so it's really easy. So the link down below for the discount coupon. So it's very easy to create a website. Just click on get started. All you have to do is, I always select the recommended because you can create unlimited websites. Select this. Okay, if you have a domain you can write over here. If you need a new domain you can type over here, but I already have a domain, so I'll create my own domain later. The next thing is you need to fill on the information, or simple thing is sign in with Google, put in your credit card details, and I always select 12 months. And guys, I have a 70% discount, link down in the description, and then submit. Once you submit this, all you have to do is come on Bluehost, then log into your dashboard. So once you are in your dashboard, click on my sites. I have a lot of websites. All I have to do is create a site, put in your site name over here, your tagline over here, or your description of the web. You don't have to install any of the plugins, and click next. And you can install a website in 3 seconds. It's 1, 2 and 3. So as you could see, you install a website in 3 seconds. Congratulations, this is your WordPress website. Log into your WordPress website. Now it's going to your dashboard. So once you are in your dashboard, so once you're in your Divi theme, in your WordPress dashboard, all you have to do is, first things, come over here, click on settings, permalinks, put this as post name. This is really important because currently right now if you open a page it's going to show you some numbers, but you want to select post name, save. The next thing what you have to do is click on coming soon active, click over here. So basically when you log into your WordPress website, so it will show you coming soon page. So this is what Bluehost does. So it's a really good feature that you can launch, complete your website and then you can launch, but I'm going to launch it right now. You'll launch your website. Now once you launch your website, go on appearance, themes. We are going to install Divi theme. So basically this is one of the best themes. I have a 20% discount on this as well. 20% discount, the link in the description, guys. As you could see, it's a free drag and drop builder, so you don't have to spend money on landing pages or on there are a lot of websites there are a lot of landing pages which charge you a lot of money, but with Divi theme you can create your own pages. You could create pages for your clients, and I've already purchased this and I have a 20% discount. So if I go on elegant themes, so currently I think so it cost $89. okay, pricing, it cost $89 for a whole year, but for me, if you sign in you get a 20% discount. So all you have to do is, currently I'm on my dashboard, all you have to do is download the Divi theme. Once the Divi theme is downloaded, it's going to take 10 seconds. Just upload a theme. Just gonna drag and drop over here. So once this is completed, so all you have to do is, so now this is downloaded, all you have to do is drag and drop over here, install now. So as you could see down at the bottom it shows 21%. so over here, look over here, so it shows 32%. so depending on your internet speed it's gonna get uploaded. Once it's uploaded, I'm gonna pause the video. Once it gets uploaded I'm gonna show you then. So now the website is live. I'm just gonna click on activate. If I go visit my website right now, My website looks pretty simple. So I'm going to show you how you could add much more, make it much more beautiful. But the first thing is go on general, put in your site name, site title, okay, and then the next thing is go on greeting. So I'm going to make a static page, okay, because choose your home page or a sample, create a new page, and you can choose a sample page, save changes, okay. Then I'm just gonna go to my visit site. I'm just gonna edit. So once you go on your home page, just click on enable visual builder, click over here. So once over here, they would tell you a video. If you want to watch the video, you could watch, but I'm just gonna start building. It's really easy. So I'm gonna choose a you could clone a page, you could choose a pre-made layout. So basically I always choose a pre-made layout, and for me, I always love depending on your website. So let's say you're an agency or you're creating a website for others, just choose design agency. You can view the live demo for the website over here. So the website looks really good, okay, with the video and everything. So the same thing, we are going to do this. So you just click on use this layout. So you need to put the username and API key. So when you purchase it, you'll get the username and API key. So I'll pause the video, I'll get my username and API key right now. So once you put your API key and your username, this is how it's gonna show. So again, depending on your internet speed, it's gonna import the template or the layout. So I'm just gonna wait again. So it's almost done, guys, and I'm really sorry if you could hear some weird noise, because that's my washing machine which is making that noise. So as you could see, the website's loaded. I'm just gonna delete this module. So all you have to do is click over here, delete, okay, click over here, delete, and then that's it. I'm just gonna save, okay. What I'm gonna do is just click on edit page, okay, just save and exit, because for some reason it's showing me a box layout. So I'm just gonna click over here on edit page. So yeah, over here start building, and then what I'm gonna do is page attribute. I'm gonna do a blank page, update, go back on my website, visit site. So now as you could see, it's a full page layout, and I really love this website. In fact, if I open it in an incognito, so just wait for a while, and yeah, and it looks really good, and it's mobile responsive as well. Just make it a little small. So yeah, it looks really good. So it's a full page layout, so I really love it. So if you want to include, again, I'm gonna go back to visual builder. I'm just gonna make it a default template right now. I'm just gonna save and update, just refresh. So yeah, now guys, it's really easy. All you have to do is enable visual builder again, and to edit the website is the most simple thing. It's drag and drop. You can create amazing websites. I'm just gonna click over here. So this view is the whole view, and then if you want to check the tablet version, if you want to check the mobile, you have to click here. But then let's say you want to edit it, so I'm just gonna make it the desktop view. So I can just click over here, web design agency, and it's very simple. If I want to insert a link, if I want to change the size, see, so I can just want to make this big, control Z, control Z. So it's really easy. So so guys, click here, make this size normal, okay, default. Or if you want to make some changes, just click here, okay. This is the text, okay. You want to web design agency, click here. And then just edit. We are a full service, so I'm just gonna say design agency. If you want to change the image, click over here on the image. So we are at the second column, so again click over here, select the second column. You can see the background. This is the image. If you want to put the color, you can just add a gradient. Okay, and just remove this image. As you could see, you can add a gradient as well, the gradient direction. So as you could see, I can see the gradient and save image. And this is how you edit. So let's say I don't want any of these things. I'm just gonna click over here, delete. Okay, I want to add a module. So as you could see over here, there's some space. Remove the space, add the space. And then if I want to add something, I could just click over here to add a specialty. I'm gonna add a header or a title, post title. You can choose anything from here, guys. Just I want to put in text. The text pops out. I'm just gonna cancel it, select the whole thing, put it on the top. So it's on the top right now. Just want to decrease this. Let's say I want to just duplicate it. I'm gonna duplicate this one. It's 2 times. I'm gonna take this one on the top, take this one on the top. The video is here. I want to delete this module. Just click over here, and then you can just decrease the space. If you want, I can increase and decrease. That's it. Just save changes. You can check how does it look on mobile. So it looks good. I can just go over here. As you could see, this plus sign, click over here, or add this module. You can do whatever you want to, and the same way. So I don't want to add this. I'm just going to add here for layout. I'm just gonna, or maybe what I could do is duplicate this one, take this on top, over here, push it on the top, create your own website. Okay, watch the video. Hello. Okay, that's it. And then add one more thing, or just click over here. You could just, if you cannot figure out, just look down and you would find whatever you want to. So I want to find an icon. I'm just gonna look into it. Okay, if I search icon over here, I can't find. Logo, I can't find. Look down, you can see this one, blur. Okay, so I don't want to put the title, just cancel it. You have design, image or logo, so I want to put an image. It's too much of, so now I'm just gonna content use icon. So yeah, watch down below. And then this one, I'm gonna make the background red. No, it doesn't look good. Design, image and icon, image color red. Yeah, this color looks good. Okay, again click on this. I'm gonna click on this. I'm just gonna click over here, edit, or just click over here, edit. I don't want to show the title, so what am I gonna do is just delete this, delete, save. Sorry guys, my washing machine is making a lot of noise, sorry for that. So now this is done. I'm just gonna save, and now it's just save. And then if I want to view my website, just click here, let's click here. So this is my whole website. Let's do this, exit visual builder. If I want to look at my website, I could just go site name, or just go So this is how my website looks. I'm gonna open an incognito right now. So this is how my website looks right now. If I go, create your own website, looks really good. Someone wants to watch a video, I'm gonna show you how you could change the menu on Divi theme. It's really easy. Go back on your dashboard. I'm gonna close this, okay. Go back again, Bluehost 70% discount. Anyways, go back over your appearance, menus, and then I'm just gonna add home menu, create a menu, primary menu, just gonna save. I'm just gonna add the sample page, but I don't want to show a sample page, so what am I going to do is home, okay, HOME, home, save menu. Once I save the menu, I go back to the website. So now as you could see, home over here, and then I want to create an about us page, so I'm gonna go and create a page. Okay, I'm gonna call it about us. I'm gonna publish it, enable with Divi builder, click over here. Okay, and as you could see, I will make sure I would automatically add, so whenever you add a new page, it would get added in the menu. So I'll add the about us page, save menu, go back to our website, refresh, and now you would see the about us page over here. So you could see, so now our about us page is blank, nothing is there, it's empty. So now we are just going to edit the about us page. So this is our about us page. What I'm going to do is again use the pre-made layout. Again, I'm going to choose the design agency. Now what you have to do is just click on the about us page. I like the about us. Use this layout. Again, depending on your internet speed, it's going to take some time. I'm going to pause the video. So our about us page is done, but it looks really big. I'm gonna make it small. Just go over here, make it small. Okay, I'm gonna check. Yeah, looks really good. Building the future. There's a lot of empty space. I'm gonna make it small. Okay, make it small. Just put on drop. Yeah, looks good. This is what we do. If you want to change something, go back over here, click on the image, click on settings, design, image. You can change the image you want. Content, you see this image. If you want to add someone else, you could add. You could delete this one. I'm gonna add the goal again. I'm just gonna duplicate it, put the goal over here, the goals over here. I'm just gonna save my work, and this is how you create a website by Divi theme. And thank you for watching the video. So guys, I have a free bonus, as I mentioned you. So I've created a free crash course on how to create a WordPress website from scratch. I tell you the best web hosting to use, so you know which is Bluehost. I tell you the best SEO plugin, so which will help you rank #1 in Google. And I also tell you that how you could make money selling websites. So that course is a free course, but it will help you a lot. And that's it. Yavar Khan signing off, and see you in the next video.